In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. Enabling JavaScript can be essential for unlocking interactive features in your PDF documents, such as form validation and dynamic content. Whether you're working on filling out forms or using interactive document features, enabling JavaScript can help enhance your overall experience. Let's dive in and get started on this simple process. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you have the application installed and ready to go. Once you have it open, the next step depends on whether you're using a Windows or a Mac computer. If you're on a Windows PC, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar and look for the Edit option. Click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. For Mac users, you'll slightly change the path by going to Acrobat in the menu bar and then selecting Preferences from that list. This will open up a new window with a variety of settings you can adjust. Now that you've accessed the Preferences window, you'll notice a panel on the left side. This panel lists different categories of settings you can modify. Scroll through this list and look for the section labeled JavaScript. Once you find it, click on JavaScript to open the relevant settings in the main area of the window. With the JavaScript settings now visible, you'll see an option labeled Enable Acrobat JavaScript. You'll need to check the box next to this option to enable JavaScript. Checking this box is crucial as it allows Acrobat to run JavaScript code within your PDF files, enabling those interactive elements and functionalities you might need. So make sure it's checked before proceeding. After you've enabled JavaScript by checking the box, it's time to lock in your changes. Do this by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the Preferences window. This action will save your settings and close the window, bringing you back to the main Adobe Acrobat interface. In some cases, you might need to restart Adobe Acrobat for the changes to take full effect. If you notice that some JavaScript features aren't working as expected, simply close the application and reopen it. This ensures that all your settings are properly updated and active. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat, opening up a world of interactive possibilities for your PDF documents. So whether it's for filling out forms, using interactive buttons, or viewing dynamic content, you're now equipped to make the most out of your PDFs. Remember, if you ever need to disable JavaScript or tweak other settings, you can always return to the Preferences menu and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to enhance your digital document experience. See you next time.